Guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to show you today how to apply our pre-cut Grille wing overlay on this 2023 Subaru Outback. This is a dry application wrap film, so the installation process will be completely dry. Some tools that you'll need for today are a squeegee, possibly a tuck tool, and a heat gun. If you do not have a heat gun, you could also use a hair dryer. If you don't have any of those tools, they're also available on our website. So you want to first start by cleaning the vehicle with car soap, water, let it dry. Once you're ready to install, you want to wipe down that surface with a little bit of rubbing alcohol on microfiber. Once that dries off, then you can go ahead and install. The film that we're going to be showing you is the 3M carbon fiber, black carbon fiber. This is a dry version. We do have this available on our website and a handful of other colors as well. So if you're interested in anything, the link is in the video description below. And we're going to start in this upper corner and sort of keep it aligned at the top, and then you'll go ahead and press down right here, and you can work the front face and the top face. This is a repositionable material, so if you do mess something up, you can pull it back up and realign it. If you do get like a crazy crease in it or something, you could also pull it back up, heat the film, and the crease should dissipate. So again, I'm just aligning at that top where the gloss part ends and the satin / matte part begins. There's a little bit of a gap there, so you will be able to get this film to tuck down into there. It's a little bit hard in this corner, just because there's not a lot of room to work. So once you got that main upper part down, you can go ahead and work this where the angle is down a little bit. And then you could either do the top or bottom first, it doesn't matter. We're gonna do the top. I'm just working that material towards the gap. Then work that material down. And then you could either use a squeegee or this kind of tuck tool. Tuck tool is a little bit easier because it's a little bit thinner to work that material underneath. So now that that front face is done, or I'm sorry, the top face, you can go ahead and start on the front. So I'm going to just work from the center outwards, a little bit at a time, incrementally working down towards the bottom. You don't have to do a full swoop. This way you can see if anything is acting funny. If you do need to heat this, it's probably going to happen in this area. This laid pretty well. But as you can see, there's like 1, 2, 3 fingers. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not. So that would be what would need heated out and stretched down a little bit if it was a larger finger. So these are pretty small. So what I'm gonna do is just take my finger, sort of work those down. So once you do have it completely down, you can go ahead and grab your heat source. We're gonna go over it with a little bit of heat, and this is gonna help lock the adhesive layer down, as well as if you do have a bubble or something, it will pop up at this time. You could go ahead and address that. I got a couple little guys popping up there. You just work them down. The air actually dissipates out into the back side of the material, which is pretty cool. So again, this is the dry black carbon fiber. This is available at the link in the video description below. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. Contact information is on the website, phone number as well as an email. So just feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.